So community gardens are a place for the community to come together where there's shared plots that people can manage themselves in proximity with each other, and they're spaces that people can come together and talk, they can build relationships, they can learn from one another and have this connection whilst gardening. And it has an amazing impact around and benefits of mental health, as well as connection to the community where issues can be discussed. So community gardens really have a range of different values that sometimes are more than what you would just expect. So people are often disconnected in city spaces from their food and where their food comes from. And so community gardens are a space where people can understand how food is grown, how it is, where it comes from, make connections with the relationship between good and healthy soil, water, and how food comes together. They can see biodiversity, they can see some of the impacts that sometimes are lost in the urbanization and the way that our cities are forming. And so community gardens can be a really strong reminder and gathering place for that conversation. They also can really have a space for multiculturalism to be nurtured and flourish, because you can see people coming together from different parts of the world with different techniques and different approaches to gardening. And they can come together and share insights, stories, approaches. And this can be really helpful for building relationships, building understanding, and really creating strong and healthy communities.